Oh, just had to get that blurriness off of there. What is going on, guys? My name is Nick. This is Nick the Entrepreneur. If you don't know me, I am an entrepreneur. I have multiple businesses, and I basically make videos of the day in life almost every single day except the weekends on how to be an entrepreneur, how to build a business, how the ups and downs of business. So if you're interested in that, keep watching the video. I also have videos in the past. I have about 150 of them, or close to 150 videos that I've done. So we have those if you haven't watched those prior. But today we're gonna be doing customer orders, work on an FBA shipment, and then we'll be done. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And at the very end of this video, and what people like about this video is I show you the revenue that I made the day before, and you'll see what we've made from the beginning of the month till now. So if you guys can wait around and watch that, that's amazing. I hope to see you guys soon. Let's get to the video. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you something. So these decals right here, I was shipping out through this hard mail envelope. You guys have seen it in the past videos. If you haven't, go back a few videos. But I was sending out these hard packages, and I was like, I'm spending $4.30 to $5 per shipping on a $10 order, which is basically, I'm making like $3 in profit. There's gotta be something better, right? Because I need to ship these out and still profit, you know, maybe more like $6, $7. So I got these 9x12 envelopes right here. Okay, so that means with shipping, it's $1.50 if it's under 12 inches, and also if it's flimsy, just like my other envelopes that I ship out that are 7x8 or 6x8. I didn't know I could do that, so rather than $4.30 shipping, I can now do $1.50 shipping on a $10 product. So now I am profiting a lot more, which is good. You learn something new every day. All right, guys, so we are done with orders. Look at all these guys. All these here, all those down there. So now let's get started working on the FBA shipment, which if you don't know what FBA is, it is fulfilled by Amazon. So the products I want to get into the warehouse, so if they do sell, they will go through Amazon and not me, because I want to go 100% remote by the end of the year. So I can focus on the hat company, Coastal Cowboys. If you guys are interested in one of these hats, I do have it in the link in bio. It's coastalcowboygoods.com, so you can go check it out there. All right, guys, it has been such a long day. It is currently 8:28, so 8:30 basically. We have all these ready to get shipped out tomorrow, but I will also be adding more probably tomorrow if I do have time. So I'm gonna be doing that. But yeah, this is the end of the video, so let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with Quality Prints USA, we made $4.99 off a decal. We made $32.67 off of eBay. and we made $194.76 on Amazon, a total of $234, which is very low for us, as you know if you've watched our videos before. So we are not $5,473. Yes, I changed it up. Yes, I don't want to bore you guys, so I am changing things to make them more entertaining. I apologize. It's just so hard when you make a video almost every single day to stay entertaining. But this is a challenge that I took on, and I will make sure that I will give you guys the best entertainment that I can give you. So I apologize for everything in the past. I apologize that I haven't gotten back to all the comments. I am busy, as you all know and understand. I know you guys do. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help a lot, and I do put a lot of work into these videos, even though it might not seem like it all the time. Also, if you guys do enjoy the videos and enjoy me, subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day until we hit $30,000 a month, so anything helps, guys. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Monday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.